What's up, drummers? So, I retuned the kit. Uh, Fighting with this 12. Maybe I gotta break it in because I don't normally play with the 12 tom. I have a 10 or 14, my bass drum and a kit, a floor tom, and maybe a ride crash or just two crashes. I don't need a lot, especially playing locally. Uh, and I usually just take what's required, you know. I work smarter, not harder. But I just wanted to give you all a raw sound of my kit. I have no effects, no compressions, just everything going raw into my analog board uh, and to my iRig. So everything is raw. I like the sound that I have out of the 12 now. Actually, I like the sound of my whole kit. So I'm just gonna do a small demonstration, maybe play a groove, so y'all can hear the whole full kit. I'll play with a cowbell a long time.